Welcome back to Reviews Per Minute. Today we're checking out our fully built, and I mean fully built, supercharged 2020 Mustang GT Premium. The exterior of this GT has been built with immaculate taste. You have these new clear Euro-style taillights, this carbon fiber duckbill, new LED side markers. You're sitting on a set of these beautiful bronze GR performance wheels, 10-inch width in the front and 11-inch width in the rear. You have a GT 500 style front bumper, this massive vented full carbon fiber hood, and the car is sitting on lowering springs, dropping it about 1.5 inches to give it an even more aggressive stance. There is no denying this Mustang looks good. And under that ginormous carbon fiber hood, we reveal its ESS supercharged 5-liter V8. But that's not all. This has an ESS intercooler, a upgraded Suncoast transmission, a new pulley, and a plethora of other goodies that you can check out on the full listing on our website. But this is tuned on 93, making over 700 horsepower, and it's paired up with a set of long tube headers and a Corsa exhaust, giving this a terrifying sound. The interior is just as badass as the outside. You have a custom airbag cover, a A-pillar mounted boost gauge, a full digital dash, these comfortable leather bucket seats, and a Bammer performance portal to monitor anything you'd want to know about how your engine is running. This is an interior suited for a 700 plus horsepower pony. So if you're looking for a crazy, ready-to-rip Mustang, our GT is for you. Head over to rpmgaragetexas.com to check out the full listing, and we'll see you guys in the next Reviews Per Minute.